been such a long time since I met you back on Skaro, and I'm pretty sure that you know that not much has changed since then. It doesn't matter how hard you try to remove me, I think you will agree that if one of us dies, then the other will too. I am locked in war with you. Exterminate, regenerate, I thought you always knew our fate. Just keep fighting on and on while time keeps turning. Regenerate, exterminate, and even though we are the same, why don't you hop into your ship and leave me burning? As men we have our contrasts. We're of exactly the same class, and our constant companion is death. Look at you, fashioning people into weapons. How can you say that you're better than me? We both carry the fire that is set to devour life. Exterminate, regenerate, I thought you always knew our fate. Just keep fighting on and on while time keeps turning. Regenerate, exterminate, and even though we are the same, why don't you hop into your ship and leave me burning?
We both carry the fire that has the power to end life. But what I do with that flame is what separates our types. If it takes till the end of reality to beat you, then I'll be sure to meet you at the exit of the world. Exterminate, regenerate, you know that it isn't too late to end what seems impossible and leave time turning. Regenerate, exterminate, and even though we aren't the same, why don't you hop into my ship and we can settle this, and we can settle this. Exterminate, regenerate, you know that it isn't too late to end what seems impossible and leave time turning. Regenerate, exterminate, and even though we aren't the same, why don't you hop into my ship? Exterminate, regenerate, I thought you always knew our fate. Just keep fighting on and on while time keeps turning. Regenerate, exterminate, and even though we are the same, why don't you hop into your ship and leave me burning? And we can settle this forever.
Yeah, we can travel time together. We can settle this forever.